Dassault Aviation has informed the Ministry of Defence and Indian Air Force that it is setting up a MRO facility for Rafale Mirage fighters near Noida. The Indian Army will soon conduct tests of its upgraded Strahler 10M surface-to-air missile against modern drones to evaluate the results of its life extension exercise. Russia's Yantar shipyard to deliver INS Tushil frigate to the Indian Navy next month. DRDO is looking for private industry partners to transfer technology of its latest Level 6 bulletproof jackets, which can stop 7.62 by 54 mm armor-piercing rounds. The chairman of Adani Group and CEO of Bombardier held a meeting yesterday to discuss potential partnerships in defense as well as aircraft MRO services. Sagar Defense has tied up with the Boeing subsidiary Liquid Robotics to co-develop and co-produce solar-powered unmanned surface vessels for undersea domain awareness. After a delay of more than 6 months, the Army is set to receive the first batch of 3 Apache attack helicopters from Boeing in December. Hyderabad-based Scandron Private Limited has won first place in the high-altitude logistics category at HIM-DRONE-A-THON 2 held in Ladakh. Sri Lanka's new president has said that Sri Lanka will neither participate in the race for dominance nor support any country involved in the race. The French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation has informed the Defense Ministry and the Indian Air Force about setting up a new Indian company, Dassault Aviation Maintenance Repair and Overhaul India, to provide maintenance, repair and overhaul support for the French origin fighter jets in India. The company has informed the Defense Ministry that the new Indian company would have an Indian national as its chief executive officer, and the Noida-based facility is expected to begin operations in 6 months. That could also be used for Rafale manufacturing if it wins the mrfa deal, that will also cater to exports. France has offered a hybrid variant of its Rafale F4 standard, along with the offer to develop a Neuron-based unmanned combat aerial vehicle to supplement the Rafale aircraft. India has reportedly accepted Armenia's request to supply the Pralay tactical ballistic missiles to counter Azerbaijan's acquisition of the Israeli LoRa long-range surface-to-surface missile system. The deal could be pushed soon, as assurances from India indicate the possibility of a swift conclusion. As a member of the Missile Technology Control Regime, India is obligated to control the export of missiles with a range exceeding 300 kilometers and a payload capacity of more than 500 kilograms, due to which the DRDO would need to customize the Pralay missile for Armenia, reducing its range to comply with the guidelines. General Electric officials have said that General Electric was not expecting additional orders for the India-specific F404 engines after the initial order for 40 Tejas Mark I jets. With no major orders on the horizon, the company was not keen on maintaining its supply chain for the engine. General Electric was caught by surprise when the Indian Air Force placed an order for an additional 83 Tejas Mark I fighter jets in 2021. With the Indian Air Force planning to procure an additional 97 Tejas Mark I fighter jets, General Electric is ramping up its production plans and will boost deliveries up to 20 engines per year in 2026. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.